Testing of Sesobs smoke density sensor. For testing, we add a power supply of at about 200 volt AC and a 20 millivolt input signal. By manipulating the input signal, we see that the unit reacts, and when we feed the unit with 20 millivolt, the output is at about 0% density, and as the input signal lowers, the smoke density rises. We can also see that by manipulating the toggle on the front of the screen, we can change the zero set point. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the unit is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.